Alright guys, welcome to our diagnostic tutorial. I'm doing something a little different today for your IXL work. So I've logged into my fake account here. It's my Holton Lake account, my student profile. It's been a while since we've done our diagnostic testing. And it's important that we retest every so often because it's going to give you new levels and new skills that you need to work on based on all the previous work that you just did. You guys have been working so hard on working on the diagnostic recommendations. Every so often we need to retake the diagnostic so it gives you the skills that you actually need to work on. So what I'm going to ask you guys to do, this is just a quick little tutorial since it's been a while since we've done this. You're going to go to diagnostic. So once you click on diagnostic, you're going to click step into the arena. I know we've already done this, but we've got to redo it every so often like I just said. Before you just start answering questions, up here is a drop box. You need to click the drop box and you need to click language arts only. Don't do language arts and math and don't do math. I want you guys to do language arts only. And it's going to give you a question to pick from. Okay, let's say I want to do this one first. And then it's going to give you a bunch of questions. So which word is an antonym of comfort? So the antonym means opposite, the opposite of comfort. Encourage, relief, terrify. Well, the opposite of comfort is terrify. Okay? I want you to continue going through all of your diagnostics until, let's see here if I can show you what I want it to look like, until when you scroll down, all of these language arts down here have one number on them. If it gives you a range, that means you're not done testing. And you need to have one number for reading strategies, vocab, writing, and grammar. To go back into the arena, step back into the arena, make sure you do the drop down and you do language arts only. Okay? I want you to try to complete this diagnostic today. We were going to do it this week in class, but I'm having you do it remotely for me. It's very important that you get this done. All right, guys, message me for questions.